Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video, how to use the music hall time counts. As you can see, I already have time counts open and ready on my computer. To get to this page, you need to go to timecounts.org/themusichall/me. This should bring you to a screen similar to what you see here, the Music Hall Hub. To log in, you'll need a username and password, as well as an invitation to join the Music Hall Hub. If you have not made an account yet, please email me at jjordan@themusichall.org and we will get you started right away. This page will show you the total activities that you've worked, seen here, the total hours that you've been credited, seen here, as well as your upcoming events, which will be located at the bottom. To the bar on the left, you will be able to see your current commitments, your tracked volunteer time, and our resources page, which is where we keep our volunteer handbook. The next tab that we can navigate to is the About page. You won't be using this page much, but it covers our mission statement and has a quick little blurb about who we are at the Music Hall. Our vision is to enrich, entertain, and inspire all in beloved gathering spaces through world-renowned and community-based programming. From this page, you'll also be able to fill out your volunteering form, go to our Events and Opportunities page, or visit our YouTube channel to view other training videos like this one. When you volunteer for a show, you will be asked to fill out a form similar to what you see here. This is to help us get a better understanding of your skills and experience, as well as your availability. The next tab in our hub is our Opportunities page. From here, you can see all of the available events that we have coming up. Let's sign up for a show. To sign up for a show, click the event that you're interested in. This should bring you to a page similar to what you see here. From here, you can sign up for any open positions or sign yourself up for a waiting list if there are no positions available in the task that you'd like to do. When you sign up for a waiting list, this means that you are currently waiting in line for a chance to work a show. We occasionally have big, popular shows like Lindsey Buckingham or Melissa Etheridge. On events like these, positions go very quickly, and a waiting list is the best way to get a chance to see the show. If others drop out, you will move up in the waiting list. If you are needed for the show, an email will be sent to you. If you're on the waiting list the day of a show, please do not come in unless you are needed, and receive an email inviting you to come. If you are still waitlisted and show up to a show that you are not needed for, you will likely be sent home. If you are unsure if you are signed up officially or still waitlisted, please email me and I will be able to tell you. Sometimes, if there are only a few people on the waitlist for a given show, we will open up new positions to let these few people in. Once you've picked the positions and waitlists that you'd like to sign up for, you will be rerouted to the form that we saw on the previous page. And then you will be brought to a page like this, which is your confirmation. A quick note: if you're signing up for yourself and an additional person, for example, you and your husband or wife are both volunteering, and you would both like to sign up for the same show, please be sure to sign up once for each person with your own unique accounts. It's like this for multiple reasons. 1. When you each sign up on your own account, it will give the front of house team the names of everyone who is working. This is better for organization. 2. It is important for fire and safety reasons that we have a record of our employees and volunteers who are working on a given night. And 3. Time counts will mark someone who is choosing to work in 2 spots on one show as a conflict and may delete one or both of your signups. So, for example, if your name is Mary and your husband's name is Mark, and Mary has signed up twice for 2 spots, and Mark has not signed up for any spots, it may delete both of Mary's signups. If this happens on a popular show, like those mentioned previously, you may not be able to attend. If you need a second time counts for someone else that you helped to sign up for, please let me know. Now let's go back to that first hub page. Here you can see that we have signed up for a new show and are on the waiting list. From here, you can view the event page, which will give you all the details you need to know about the show, including the volunteer arrival time and the show time. You can do this by selecting the drop-down menu and visiting the event page. If you need to cancel a show that you sign up for, you can do so anytime, but if you choose to cancel on the day of the show, please email me and let me know so I can fill your position if needed. To cancel, you'll go over to where it says On Waitlist or Confirmed, and you'll click the drop-down menu and click Cancel. You should see the event leave your screen. The last tab in our hub is the FAQ page. You can navigate here to find additional information about volunteering and how to use TimeCounts. That's just about everything that you'll see in the hub. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me via email or in person at the music hall. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.